Conquer city streets and smooth pavements with confidence using tires built for versatility and speed. The best mountain bike tires for road deliver low rolling resistance, excellent grip, and a quiet, stable ride, transforming your rugged trail bike into an efficient urban commuter. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Maxxis Hookworm Mountain Bike Tire. The Maxxis Hookworm Mountain Bike Tire is a rugged and versatile option, designed for riders who want unmatched durability and smooth performance on the road. Its unique wraparound tread pattern provides excellent grip on pavement, concrete, and urban terrain, making it a favorite for commuters and street riders. Built with a robust single-compound rubber, the Hookworm delivers long-lasting wear resistance and reliable traction even under heavy loads or aggressive cornering. The thick, continuous tread design ensures fast rolling with minimal vibration, offering a quiet and stable ride perfect for BMX, cruisers, and mountain bikes converted for city use. What sets the Hookworm apart is its ability to handle both casual cruising and high-impact stunts with equal confidence. Maxxis' decades of tire engineering expertise shine through in its construction, providing consistent air retention and enhanced puncture resistance. Backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty, this tire offers peace of mind and proven reliability. Whether you're tackling potholes, curb drops, or daily commutes, the Maxxis Hookworm blends performance and protection seamlessly.
Number 2. Continental Kryptotal Mountain Bike Tire. The Continental Kryptotal Mountain Bike Tire is an outstanding blend of durability, speed, and control, making it ideal for riders who frequently switch between trails and paved roads. Its trail casing design delivers excellent puncture resistance without compromising on weight, allowing for efficient performance and easy maneuverability. Built with Continental's advanced carcass construction, this tire resists damage and penetration from debris, providing long-lasting dependability in mixed terrains. The Kryptotal's versatile design makes it suitable for use with or without an inner tube, and it's fully compatible with tubeless systems using Continental's Revel sealant for added protection. What truly sets this tire apart is its suitability for e-bikes, backed by Continental's century-long expertise in motorcycle and moped tire technology. The E50 certification ensures it can withstand higher speeds and added torque from electric assistance while maintaining low rolling resistance. Number 3. Continental Magnotal Mountain Bike Tire. The Continental Magnotal Mountain Bike Tire is a reliable all-terrain performer, built for riders who demand control, comfort, and adaptability across varying road conditions. Engineered with Continental's premium trail casing, this tire delivers exceptional puncture resistance while maintaining a lightweight and responsive feel. It's designed for riders who split their time between rugged trails and smooth road surfaces, offering dependable traction and stability in every situation. The Magnotal features a specialized grip compound that enhances control, particularly during sharp turns or on loose surfaces, while ensuring minimal rolling resistance for smooth road rides. This thoughtful balance of speed and grip makes it an excellent choice for cyclists who want one tire that performs well both off-road and on asphalt. Whether tackling gravel paths or paved streets, the Magnotal maintains consistent contact with the ground, providing superior braking and acceleration response. Its durable sidewalls add protection against cuts and abrasions, ensuring a longer lifespan even with regular use. Number 4. Michelin TLR Mountain Bike Tire. The Michelin TLR mountain bike tire, specifically the Power Cup TLR model, is designed to deliver road-level performance with the strength of a mountain tire. Constructed with Michelin's advanced tubeless-ready technology, it minimizes flats and offers improved rolling efficiency, making it perfect for both training and high-speed road rides. The tire's X-Race compound and GumX rubber technology provides superior grip and cornering stability on dry and wet surfaces, ensuring safety and precision even during intense rides.
With the high-density 4x120 TPI casing, it combines a lightweight flexibility with a resilient structure that absorbs vibrations and reduces fatigue or long journeys. The folding bead makes installation effortless while maintaining a secure seal for tubeless setups. Riders will appreciate the reduced rolling resistance, allowing for faster acceleration and smoother handling on asphalt. Number 5. Maxxis Aggressor Mountain Bike Tire. The Maxxis Aggressor mountain bike tire is engineered for riders who demand performance, grip, and versatility, making it a solid choice for both hard-packed trails and road use. Designed for high-speed riding, the Aggressor's tread pattern features tightly spaced knobs that enhance traction while maintaining a fast, efficient roll on smoother surfaces. Its dual compound construction provides the perfect balance between durability and grip, with a harder base layer to reduce wear and a softer outer compound to maximize control. Reinforced with XO sidewall protection, it resists cuts and abrasions, ensuring durability even on rough roads or rocky paths. The tire's E25 certification also makes it suitable for light-duty e-bikes, supporting speeds up to 16.1 miles per hour without sacrificing performance. When paired with a front tire like the Minion DHF, it excels in stability and cornering precision, offering riders excellent balance and responsiveness. The Aggressor is a dependable option for cyclists who want a tire capable of tackling both mountain trails and city pavement with confidence. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.